Hey guys, welcome to the Wave Crypto Club. We talk about all things crypto. In the last few weeks, Bitcoin has seen an upward trajectory. The market is seeming to be better. People are less afraid. Bitcoin almost touched the 24,000 mark. It actually crossed the 24,000 mark. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, which was somewhere around 6 or 8 mid single digits, has moved up to 14 and 30 in the last few weeks. In fact, right now it's at 26. That's not so bad compared to the last few weeks when it was like 6. The market was extremely afraid just a few weeks ago. Is this a good thing? Not really. The market is already trading a little lower. Tesla just sold off 75% of all their Bitcoin holding. And then there is this analyst who got who sort of nailed the 2018 Bitcoin bottom, predicting that this could be a bull trap. Right? He's saying that this 24,000 mark, or the rallying to 24,000, was more or less a bull trap. Now, is he right? Does he think that it'll go low? Let's look at some indicators. One, the Fed is going to inflict more pain because tomorrow and day after they will be meeting to discuss the next rate hike. The next rate hike might be coming anytime soon. It could be anywhere between 50 basis points to 75 basis points. That's a lot. If it's at 75, that's humongous. Right? Why is the Fed thinking of increasing the interest rate again? It's because despite increasing interest rates in the last few months, inflation still topped 9%. The latest inflation numbers was well over 9%. It's one of the highest in several decades. Not just US, UK inflation is at a 40-year high at 9.1%. What does this mean? It means that if the Fed, most likely they will have either a 50 or a 75% or a 0.75% increase in interest rates. If that happens, there can be more liquidity sucked out of the market. I've been speaking about this in some of my past videos where I mentioned that the 20,000 or 19,000 levels was not the bottom. It could go down even further. This increase in interest rates because of the Fed is the reason why it will go down even further. I continuously mentioned in my previous videos that the bottom is somewhere between August to September, right, or August to November. That's where Bitcoin is going to bottom out completely. And this increase in interest rate will definitely fuel that fall. How much will it fall depends on whether it's a 50 basis points or a 75 basis points increase. We'll talk about that when the actual numbers come about. But for now, I think it's safe to say that the liquidity is going to get sucked out and the markets will crash further. Bitcoin will go down below 20,000. How much below 20,000? That's an open question as of now. We'll talk about that as soon as the numbers come out. Till then, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and tell your friends about it. Welcome to the Wave Crypto Club.